Hello friends, OPPO K13 Turbo series has announced for global debut and it is more likely to launch after 15th August. Its main feature is 27-watt powerful active cooling fan and it is powered by Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor. Let's unbox. Before that, please like, share and subscribe. This is OPPO K13 purple colored box with a big K logo in the box. Items are black colored rubber premium back case with texture pattern on the back similar to the phone, then a WOOC charger which has 80-watt wired USB-A type charger, a fan cleaning brush similar to the men's hair trimmers or grooming kit. This is most impressive silver color with transparent fiberglass back panel, dual tone finish and futuristic bold design having beautifully crafted design and pattern on the back panel. It looks like 3D glass and its blue color highlights change according to different angles. Metal colored camera module encloses dual camera rings, main camera and active cooling fan with a K logo and features round RGB lighting. This phone is equipped with active and passive cooling system and featured a variable speed centrifugal fan that spins at 18,000 rpm and uses ultra-thin 0.1 mm blades. And this is purple color option. It is also with dual colored tone and neon green color highlights, same glossy and highlighted transparent back panel. Oppo logo is also highlighted with neon green color. Purple color changes light and darker shades with different angles. I personally liked silver the most because of clearly visible textures and highlights on it. It is subjective. Some people may like purple color. Camera design is nearly similar to Oppo K13. It features dual 50 megapixel camera, active cooling fan, and LED light. Its side look is appealing, flat side design with fan, air vents, volume rockers, and power button. Dual stereo and IR blasters are also there. Oppo K13 Turbo Pros all black color is very premium looking phone with brushed vertical lines on back panel and RGB lighting highlights on the back panel when it's on. Its display impresses with uniform bezel-less punch hole display housing 16 megapixel front camera, a big 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a bigger 7000 mAh battery that supports 80-watt wired charging. Phone is durable too with IPX8 rating, means completely water and dust resistant. It's powered by powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, scoring around 2 million Antutu, and it offers 3.2 GHz max clock speed. That's all about OPPO K13 Turbo. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.